How to deactivate or delete your account. If you wish to delete your VirtualStaff.ph account, follow the steps below. Please note that account deletion is only possible if you can log into your account. Steps to delete your account. Log into your VirtualStaff.ph account. Go to your dashboard. On the bottom left sidebar, click the three dots. Select your profile. You will be directed to the Edit Profile page. Scroll down to the bottom of the Edit Profile page and click on the Delete Account option. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to confirm and permanently delete your account. Once confirmed, your account will be deleted and you will no longer have access to it. If you need assistance or reconsider deleting your account, feel free to contact VirtualStaff.ph support for further help.
Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines. Hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.